Welcome to Kenya Primary School Education Assessment, popularly known as KPSEA. Diagnostic Test. Mathematics Grade 6. 1. There were 65,050 people who attended an agricultural show. What is this number in symbols? A. 60,550. B. 65,550. C. 60,505. D. 65,050. 2. At the beginning of the year, there were 1,204 learners in a school. By the end of the year, 132 learners left. At the beginning of the next year, 214 joined. How many learners are there now? A. 1,550. B. 1,286. C. 1,122. D. 858. 3. A teacher displayed number cards 24362, 52628. Each number was rounded off to the nearest hundreds. What was the sum? A. 76,990. B. 77,000. C. 77,010. D. 77,100. 4. A factory produced 7,435 pieces of soap. The workers packed 1,263 pieces. How many pieces were not packed? A. 6,172. B. 6,232. C. 6,272. D. 8,698. 5. A lorry carried 452 cartons of books. Each carton had 24 books. How many books were carried altogether? A. 11,848. B. 10,848. C. 9,648. D. 2,712. 6. Work out 64 divided by 4 by 2 plus 8. A. 160. B. 40. C. 16. D. 4. 7. Musa divided his land into maize 1/3 and beans 1/4. What fraction was left for grazing? A. May 12th. B. 7/12. C. March 8th. D. 2/3. 8. Arrange the fractions 2/3, 4/5, 3/4 from smallest to largest. A. 3/4, 4/5, 2/3. B. 2/3, 3/4, 4/5. C. 4/5, 3/4, 2/3. D. 3/4, 2/3, 4/5. 9. A trader displayed groceries, cabbages, tomatoes, and onions. What portion was covered by these three items? A. 0.825. B. 0.700. C. 0.575. D. 0.175. 10. Arrange the decimals 0.75, 1.25, 0.8, 1.135 from largest to smallest. A. 0.75, 0.8, 1.135, 1.25. B. 0.75, 1.135, 1.25, 0.8. C. 1.135, 1.25, 0.8, 0.75. D. 1.25, 1.135, 0. 8. 0.75. We officially kick off our intensive KPSEA revision. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share with your classmates, cousins, friends, teachers, then parents. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, it's completely free. All you need to do to support us is subscribe, like, and share our lessons. Your support means the world to us and helps more students like you succeed. Let's continue and ace those exams. 11. Nima ran 3 laps around a track measuring 21 m 45 centimeters. What distance did she cover? A. 7 m 15 centimeters. B. 42 m 90 centimeters. C. 64 m 35 centimeters. D. 128 m 70 centimeters. A block of wood is 3 meters long. What is this length in centimeters? A. 30. B. 300. C. 3000. D. 30,000. 13. Find the perimeter of the shape shown, rectangle with sides 5 cm by 10 cm. A. 20 cm. B. 25 cm. C. 30 cm. D. 35 cm. 14. A rectangle is divided into unit squares. What is its area? A. 35. B. 20. C. 12. D. 5. 15. Patel had a SH1000 note. He changed it into different denominations. Which represents the correct change? A. 500 plus 200 plus 100 plus 50 plus 50. B. 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 100 plus 50. C. 500 plus 200 plus 100 plus 100 plus 50. D. 500 plus 200 plus 200 plus 100. A worker bought 175 kilograms of cement, 473 kilograms of sand, and 282 kilograms of ballast. What was the total mass? A. 930 kilograms. B. 755 kilograms. C. 648 kilograms. D. 457 kilograms. What is the next number in the pattern? 10, 12, 16, 24, 40. A. 32. B. 42. C. 64. D. 72. 18. The beam balance shown measured angle. What is the mass? A. 5 kilograms. B. 2.5 kg. C. 2 kilograms. D. 1.5 kg. A trader bought 260 kilograms of sugar. He sold 175 kilograms. Later, he bought 195 kilograms more. How many kilograms does he have now? A. 20. B. 85. C. 280. D. 455. 20. The number shown on a place value chart has digit 5 in one place. What is the place value of digit 5? A. Tenths. B. Hundredths. C. Ones. D. Thousandths. We officially kick off our intensive KPSEA revision. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share with your classmates, cousins, friends, teachers, then parents. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, it's completely free. All you need to do to support us is subscribe, like, and share our lessons. Your support means the world to us and helps more students like you succeed. Let's continue and ace those exams. 21. At a construction site, building blocks were arranged to form the stack as shown. How many blocks are in the stack? A. 18. B. 24. C. 54. D. 72. 22. Jaru visited her grandmother for 13 days. How many weeks and days is this? A. 1 week 3 days. B. 1 week 6 days. C. 2 weeks 0 days. D. 2 weeks 3 days. 23. Asha started reading at the time shown, 10:15 a.m., and read for 1.5 hours. What time did she stop? A. 11:45 a.m. B. 11:45 p.m. C. 12:45 a.m. D. 12:45 p.m. 24. A football match started and ended as shown on 2 clock faces. How long did the match take? A. 70 minutes. B. 120 minutes. C. 130 minutes. D. 190 minutes. 25. Which of the following lists shows money paid by the public to a county government of Kenya? A. Land fees, school fees, parking fees, cess. B. Market fees, cess, business permit, security fee. C. Market fees, business permit, cess, parking fee. D. Land fees, security fee, business permit, parking fee. 26. To get to school, Musa walks straight and then turns to the left. What kind of turn is this? A. 1/4 turn. B. 1/2 turn. C. 3/4 turn. D. Full turn. 27. Price list for Faaha shop. Milk SH55. Bread SH50. Tea leaves SH45. Masudi bought 2 packets of milk, a loaf of bread, and a packet of tea leaves. He gave the shopkeeper Sh 500. What was his balance? A. Sh 350. B. Sh 295. C. Sh 255. D. Sh 205. "28 and has X bananas. Tom has the same number as and Tess has 3 bananas. Which expression shows the total number of bananas?" A. X plus 3. B. X plus 3. C. 3x plus 3. D. 3x. "29. The following are properties of a shape. 1. All angles are equal. 2. Has 4 lines of symmetry. 3. All sides are equal. Which shape is this?" A. Right-angled triangle. B. Equilateral triangle. C. Square. D. Rectangle. The table shows COVID-19 cases in counties. Nairobi's cases are missing. Nakuru 135. Garissa 17. Kwale 8. Kisii 10. Total cases 656. What was Nairobi's number of cases? A. 170. B. 386. C. 486. D. 1142. We officially kick off our intensive KPSEA revision. Subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share with your classmates, cousins, friends, teachers, then parents. Don't let this opportunity pass you by, it's completely free. All you need to do to support us is subscribe, like, and share our lessons. Your support means the world to us and helps more students like you succeed. Let's continue and ace those exams.